Hello guys, this is my second day. You want to say something on my vlog?
Yes, I want to say for your vlog that please do like, share, subscribe Paras vlog. She is amazing because she truly enjoys recording the vlogs for you, and you guys will have her reviews and you will really like it. So my suggestion to all of you, and from Ishria, we both want to suggest you that you like, share and subscribe Paras vlog.
Thank you.
Look at the guys, morning view, early in the morning. And this is our camp. This is the other camps. People are still sleeping. Hello guys, अभी सुबह के 5:55 बज रहे हैं और look at the view. I'm going to change my clothes. I sleep, I think, while in the camp, but for the short time period. Look at the view. Isn't it amazing? Yeah, the fifth one is, this one is look at the view. And I'm going to wash my face and change my clothes. These are washrooms.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is my second day in the camp, and look at the view guys, early in the morning, 6 o'clock. It's so beautiful and charming. Everybody is sleeping. I just came out to change my clothes and look beautiful and ready to explore my day. So yeah, look at the this is the female toilet, and there written is save the water, and look at the greenery. So this is for the male side, and I'm going to back to my camp and I show you around today, because yesterday my mobile battery was dead and I couldn't record anymore. So I thought today I charge my battery again and explore the Erawan National Park again with the beautiful day. This is the cooking zone. Can you see? Cooking zone. Here you can cook and charge your mobiles. Youth camp. This side and the seminar center. This is the camp. This is the instructions. And these are camps. We are living in the fifth camp, this one. And yeah, we're past the Erawan National Park, and look, this is the recycle waste, and this is the garbage. And guys, check out this view. Oh my god, so beautiful. I would recommend to come this national park. Its cost reasonable, for food is also reasonable. What? Huh? No, Ishan.
I am unicorn girl. Yeah.
Unicorn girl.
Yeah, not him. Yeah. Yeah.
इथे कौन गर्ल जी सुट्टी तस्वीर कटा. लोके છે ખરા છે ધક્કો મારી આઈ દાંત કા છે જેડી મારા ડસ જેડી ઉદય તો ધક્કો મારી હાથ કા So guys, this was our camp for last night and check it out. Hello Ishan, you are a good boy.
This bag. So when we came here in Thailand in 2022, Ishia dragged this bag of the airport to help us to reach Thailand airport. Now Ishan is dragging this bag to the campsite to help Ishia, to support Ishia. And these are two beautiful kiddos. They have been helping us all around. And we are so proud of them. Ishia, can you say hi? Hi. Ishan, can you say hi? Hi. Very good.
बन के वकोड़ियो थई पानी में लोड़ियो थई तो समझी भूखे चैती तारी खुदाई आई 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 खुद सो खटे आई 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 खटे आई या आई 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 नो Okay, bye.
This is the morning view. We wake up now. We are going for the breakfast. See overall. This is the cooking zone too. Hello, Ishan. Where are you, Ishan? Ishan, look here. Hi. Come. Ishan, what are you looking for? What are you looking for? What? What is this? Show me. Oh wow! Look at the Ishan. He's doing amazing job. Come here, Ishan.
Let's do this.
Wow! It's so beautiful. See, there is a flower. Look at the view. This is the second day, and Ishan is having a fun. Amazing. Look at the waterfall. The food corner. With the reasonable cost, you can come. This is the Soviet shop. Look at the inside. This is me. And look at the look at this. This is Soviet shop. This is shirts. Look at this. These are clothes. These are shirts. And these are products. This is drinking. Nothing much. This is the small shop. This is for the vehicle. You can take from here to, it's like a golf car service to the first level of waterfall. So when we come, then I'm going to show you. Jan, let's go. We are going to again waterfall. This is our next day. So Isha is also going. This is the Thailand. And this is the ride which I'm showing. So this golf service take us from the water, and today we are using this service and going.
นั่งรถได้นะคะ นั่งรถไหมคะ คนละ20 บาทจ้า
So yeah, this is the service we are going to take and
ได้หมดแล้ว
going to waterfall. So Ishwa, show me ticket. Ishwa, show me ticket.
แล้วนั่งคันนี้ก็ได้
This is ticket. This is my
คันซื้อไป
ticket.
2 คัน
And we are taking this ride. Yeah, we are taking this ride.
อาร์มอยู่นี่
And
บัตรอาร์ม
sitting
อ่ะ
here. Taking this ride and we are going for waterfall.
นี่บัตรเด็กลูกทิเก็ตดิฉันทิเก็ต
Ticket. So we are finished giving tickets. Because this is my ticket.
พอดีเลยพี่
So right now we are going to waterfall. Yesterday we go there, but today we are going again. Waterfall. We are going to waterfall level 1. And here there is 7 levels. We reached the waterfall. If you want to go waterfall for the swimming, you have to take this life jackets. 20 baht for 2 hours. After the first 2 hours, you have to pay extra 2 baht. Oh, I mean 10 baht. And yeah, this is the waterfall, but we are going to up. Here I am. So this way, second and third is going to up. We are now 3rd floor. We are going to up high today. Hope it work. Yesterday we didn't go. Yesterday we go just for the 6th floor. So yeah, let's go. Look at the ladybird. My God.
Yeah, come, boy.
Ladybird. Cute.
Ishan, pick the ladybird. The ladybird, beetle. You want it? Come on, take it.
Guys, we are going
Today level 7. So right now I'm reached at level 5. So it's like a real hiking. Hikers gonna love this national park. Okay, this is the real challenging for me, going up through the stairs. Oh my gosh, see, jungle. Start 100 meter waterfall, and then again they're saying keep go, keep go, keep go, keep going. Everywhere jungle mangal, and there is the beach. Still, there is a lot of walk. Still, we are in a 5 level. Go very long. There is 2 more. We are going to level 7. Finally, we reached level 6. Now, level 7. And it was like last stop. Last level here. Yes, this is slippery here, and you can see how we are moving. It's like a long journey, and they said careful, it's slippery here, so we need to be careful. We are going about to reach level 7. Me and Ishka is going, and Ishan is coming in the back side. And look at the view, guys, how the difficult is the path, but we are going to make it happen today. This is the mushrooms we found in the jungle. Yeah, finally we reached at 7th floor. We made it. You are the conqueror. Yes, boss. Yeah. Finally. Some struggle is worth to watch. Yeah. They're saying so, guys, this is the level 7. Finally we reached here. It was a so long journey, but we finally made it. This is the 7th level. For Erawan. Oh, Fufa Erawan. Sorry, my mistake. And yeah, they have caption and note for us who climbed so long. Finally, we are reached here. It's worth to watch. Yeah. Hello everyone, now it's time to go back to home, so we are waiting for bus, and it was a lovely journey here. I hope you also enjoy with me, so please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Please support me, subscribe my channel, nothing else, only subscribe. Thank